Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Mold solutions can be tricky, but with our 25 years experience, we've mastered this. This skirting is the smoking gun. As you can see, the mold on the back of the skirting. This is a spore that you breathe in, and it germinates in your ENT system, your ear, nose and throat, and that will lead to bronchial problems. As you can see, we've stripped the bricks to dry. We haven't reached the point at which the bricks are dry, so we'll carry on stripping a little bit higher. You can see the yellow lines on the white paint. The walls running this side have got multiple points of entry. We've got a higher paving level on the pool side, letting water into this wall. That's the footprint of where the skirting came off. As you can see, we've got some cracks which also need to be repaired. The other points of entry is the flat roof above us here. We've got a higher flower bed on the reverse side of this wall, which also needs to be waterproofed. This is how we sort out mold, by taking all the water out the building, leaving your building high and dry. If you would like a repair to your mold problems, please reach out and we'll connect you up with a quote. Make it a great day. Follow us in further videos.